Good morning, we are off on a little adventure this morning. We're off to a cooking school. We're just waiting for our cab to come and pick us up. So in this cooking school, it's a 5-hour cooking school. We're going to a market to see where the locals get all their food from. We're going to a rice field to see how they produce the rice fields and all of that. And then we've got about 2 hours of cooking. So come along and we'll show you what it's all about. So as part of our accommodation we get breakfast, and breakfast was arriving at 7:30 and we were leaving at 7:45. Breakfast arrived at 7:40 and now Steve's eating breakfast on the go. Banana pancakes that are not very pancakey nor banana-y.
We do for the hard position. This is the real rice. They are coming from the top. Yeah, because a lot of people never see the rice. Yeah, they are thinking the rice coming from the root like potato, but you see the rice real coming from the top like wheat. But when they are first time come out, yeah, the color of the skin rice is green like this, not directly become yellow. When they are first time come out, the color of skin become this is the green color. The texture inside still soft like liquid. Like you see. This is liquid. We need whitening until all of the color of skin become yellow color. After color of the skin become yellow, inside will be hard, will be dry. This is little bit difficult for the open. Yeah, normally we use the machine for making separate between rice and the skin. Yeah, but this is we use hand. Little difficult for the open it. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
The meal first, yeah, we need grated coconut like this. The similar like making parmesan, Laura. This is we squeeze like this, yeah. Top. This is the little bit oil already coming, yeah, but we need process again this one. This is the oil. This is the oil. We just collect on the top only. And then why we need put in the pan again, yeah? After we get the oil, we need process again. Like you see, this is not clear yet. The oil, we need boiling again 1 hour left on the pan. After 1 hour left on the pan, we get the pure oil and then the color is a bit yellow, and then we can use for.
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, don't worry, yeah. This is normally a woman job.
Woman's job.
Your job, take the lift, climb the tree, yeah?
Okay.
Pass through,
Right.
and then up. Okay? After that, the cut side. Every cut, every corner refolding like this. After that, you're sewing diagonal. Okay?
We're going to go climb a tree.
Side.
It's not niche shoes.
The cut side refolding. Good job, honey. Thank you. Perfect. You put this one in the middle.
He needs to go climb a tree
You
after
need
this.
my help?
No, I'm getting there. I'm on the bottom now. Work of art.
It is a work of art.
Right?
Even though you got help.
Right?
I did not get help.
Brother, this is for you.
Thank you.
Long beans, we're now making them into short beans. It's hot, sweaty work cutting up garlic and chili. It's hard work. I'm making a good assistant.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Yum. Taste that lime. I'll spit myself.
seaside. When start, back to the fire. Then make a hole, honey. Ah, okay, good.
There you go. Good work.
Oh, nice catch.
Look at that. Pancake flipper from way back. Mine's just a little bit shorter and fatter than everyone else's.
This is the rice with the fried shallot on top. Your chicken salad, chicken curry, steamed fish roll on banana leaf, tempeh sauce, chicken satay with peanut sauce on top, and the rest of your.
It was a very, very good cooking class. We're very full. Hi. And we are heading home, so they picked us up and dropped us off. And it was awesome. We just got back from our cooking class and it was pretty epic. So it's now 1:45. We got picked up at 7:45, so it was a good 5 hours. We ate and cooked a whole heap of meals. So overall, it was a really good experience. Paid about $78 for both of us, and I booked it through a website called Cookly. And yeah, super lovely, really great, authentic experience. Really recommend it.